Oklahoma and New Jersey.
De radiação
Of the United States. If you residential area power plant warning for East Washington. A primary entry point system issued an emergency action termination for the following counties/states: Alaska, Idaho, Minnesota, Michigan, Dallas, Oklahoma, Oregon, and New Jersey. Approximately 23 minutes ago, a flock of roaches came to the states/counties mentioned and carried the radiation away. Thanks to these insects, the radiation has been taken away from the zones. It now is safe to go outside. The next flock of roaches is expected to come approximately at 1:08 p.m. In the meantime, a plan has been done to get rid of these roaches. It will be revealed when it is on action.
Esta mensagem está sendo transmitida pelo governo brasileiro em cooperação com as autoridades norte-americanas. Às 10h40 de hoje, os testes das bombas começarão com um desinfetante feito especialmente para essas baratas que estão circulando pelo mundo. Eles começarão hoje às 10h50, em aproximadamente 1 minuto e 20 segundos. Você pode ver o show de fora, pois essas bombas contêm um inseticida não perigoso para os seres humanos. Essas bombas devem explodir nos céus de Santo Antônio do Pinhal em 1 minuto e 5 segundos. Se você ver uma barata lá fora, não vá lá fora. Se você vê uma barata lá fora e vê que ela morre em 20 segundos, a partir de um relatório ligando para o seguinte número: 222451829220156124721. Deus abençoe o Brasil e o mundo. No momento, bombas estão sendo manuseadas nos céus de Santo Antônio do Pinhal. Se você vir uma barata e ela for morta pela explosão, ligue para o número mencionado no aviso anterior. As bombas estão explodindo no céu de Santo Antônio do Pinhal. Vamos mantê-lo informado. Espero que isso funcione. Isto não é um teste, repito, não é um teste. As bombas de inseticida contra essas baratas funcionaram. Recebemos mais de 1.200 denúncias de pessoas que afirmam ter encontrado essas baratas mortas após o surto de inseticida, tanto nas ruas como em seus quintais e dentro de suas casas. Isso será notificado ao presidente dos Estados Unidos e de outros países como México, Argentina, Colômbia, Venezuela e outros no continente americano.
Authorities have issued an administrative message. We have been notified by Brazil that the agreement we made with them worked. They tested bombs that would explode in the air to kill the roaches from the recent roach outbreak. Brazil has sent these bombs to the United States. No action needs to be taken, as these bombs are safe to human beings, but they kill roaches. If for some reason you have a roach as a pet, bring it inside. It still has not been confirmed if this chemical is dangerous to domestic animals and wild animals, but it is believed it is not dangerous either for these animals soon. These bombs will explode in southeast USA, as same as all the Mexico country and all Brazil country. If you see any of these roaches dying, send a report to the following number 112374110 government 2852. If you see a common household roach or the recently outbreaked roaches, does not matter what roach it is and it dies, call the following number 112374110 government 2852. These bombs are now exploding on the skies of southeast USA, and these bombs will be sent throughout the entire country if they are successful. National Weather Service has issued a required monthly test for the following counties, United States. This is not actually a test. This warning has been issued to inform the entirety of United States that the quote-unquote air raid quote-unquote of the bombs with the roach killer chemical worked. Entirety of Mexico has now cleaned off the roaches. Entirety of Brazil has too. Almost all countries on America have cleaned off these dangerous roaches. Only United States is left to do so. In the next 12 minutes, these bombs will explode on the air of entire United States and will kill all of these dangerous roaches off the country. This chemical can also cure the roach smallpox chickenpox disease. This chemical has now been put on medicine to cure the infected with the disease. The infected people roaming on the streets has gone down 96%. The bombs are now exploding on the air of entire United States. If you see any of these roaches dying 20 seconds after these bombs exploded, call the number that was mentioned before. If you can't remember the number or can't call it, simply visit www.roachinvasion.com/report and fill a report. A primary entry point system has issued an emergency action termination for entire United States. We are proud to announce this. The bombs on the air have successfully exterminated all the dangerous roaches from the entire country of the United States. The shelter-in-place protocol will still be active until 7:30 p.m., which is when United States government has successfully confirmed the extermination of these insects. Civil authorities have issued an administrative message. The shelter-in-place protocol has been closed on all United States, and it is safe to go outside as these roaches have now been confirmed to all be extinct both on the United States and the entirety of the globe. Normal activities like going outside and schools will open tomorrow at 6:02 a.m. Thanks to all Americans for your cooperation during that emergency. We can't thank you enough.